Turn right onto Gateway
Balik
Drive.
kami sa route. Tapos na kami sa Walmart.
In 1.5 kilometers, take a slight right turn to merge onto
Alam niyo
I-20.
kung ano eh, saan yung Grand Forks. Grand Forks. Nandito na kami sa Grand Forks. Welcome Grand Forks. Ayan.
In 1 kilometer, take a slight right turn to merge onto I-29
Right,
South.
Grand Forks to Belcourt.
Right onto I-29 South. Freeway entrance.
Ito.
Go past this light, then use the right lane to take a slight right turn to merge onto I-29 South. In 4 kilometers, take exit 138 onto 32nd Avenue South.
You can drink it now.
You don't want any more?
Kanat in yan. Diyan kami nag-swimming ni Iman. Ito yung ano, yung ang tawag yan? Aleros Center.
In 2 kilometers, take exit 138 onto 32nd Avenue South. At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn on 32nd Avenue South.
And then, right, left turn.
Yeah, left turn ahead onto 32nd Avenue South.
Nagugutom na si Sopor Iman. Let's go to Panera Bread. May lunch. Pinupunta ng girl. Ayan, punta kami ng Target. Sa Target kami pupunta. Bayag ni Siri. Tinubang pa may nag-drive.
Proceed to the
Turn
route.
to Target Street.
In about
Yan.
300 meters, left turn
I
onto
can't walk.
36th Avenue South. Then,
Yeah.
in about 300 meters, left turn.
Oh, right. Yes. Say cheese, Iman. I don't say your cheese. Oh, let's go to Target. Come on.
Don't step on the plants.